Right, guys, today I'm out here at Goose Creek. About to go ahead and get it in. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all to the water right quick. We go be fishing today. Matter of fact, I got my cousin with me today too. You know, got some shrimp, night crawlers, and we go catch some live bait with this cast net. You know, welcome to Goose Creek. But we're not gonna be fishing this location right here. We'll go down underneath the bridge and shit. You know. Yeah. We out here, baby. Believe that. Out here. About to pull out a monster. That's on the worms, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a nice size there too. Oh! Oh! Come on, man. Camera shot. Oh yeah, I'm about to put the worms on that bitch. Well, man. Yeah, Lil. Fuck, he's something. That's a Kroger right there.
I told you they running on them shit. Oh yeah, nice out, huh?
Yeah, that's a Kroger.
The water change, Chuck. The water change. We about to chop him up and fish with him now. Yeah, he about to go right back out there, you heard?
Oh yeah.